name is Abraham Daigo, and I took software development in Zindua school. It's been a very pleasant experience, a good learning experience. I've learned and I've equipped myself with a lot of skills. Initially, I was a bit anxious of the tech industry because of how intimidating those courses look and the amount of work which I thought would be a lot. But then Zindua School has broken down the tech career into different aspects in which you are able to learn slowly at your own pace. And I've also learned to work under pressure. Thanks to my technical mentors, they have been helpful. They have provided a lot of guidance. They have helped me debug a lot of issues. I've also gained a new skill of presentation. I've learned how to present my points into short and understandable points without missing any of the concepts. And I've also learned how to design slides, website, and it's been a very good experience. And also I've learned and I've connected with a lot of people. Initially I was a bit of an introvert. I didn't like interacting much with people, but then thanks to the Zindua family, I've been able to connect. I've learned about a lot of people. I've also gained a few mentors, which I would not have been able outside in the industry. So it's been a very good experience in terms of family, in terms of career, in terms of skill building, in terms of self-improvement, and it's been a very good experience. I recommend the tech industry because it's a growing industry that is now being integrated into other industries such as the banking, finance, construction, and Zindua School is the best option because of the family that exists here, the bond that exists between the mentors, the students within themselves. So it's a great choice for you to build a career in technology.